Hello, friends. It's Phil, and today, yes, my friends, today is the official sun cream day. It's the official first day of the year where I need some sun cream on. And the interesting thing about this day, well, there's several things that's quite interesting about this day. The first thing is the van goes from the smell of grass and petrol and fertilizer to the smell of underripe bananas and sun cream. Now, the reason why I say underripe bananas, that's all green banana. If you've ever opened a banana too early and gone, that's a bit underripe. That's what freshly cut springtime grass smells like to me. Weird as it may be, my friends, that's what it smells like to me. Now, blend that banana smell in with sun cream, and what have you got? You've got the beach. You've got a cocktail, haven't you? You've got that intoxicating moment. Yes, my friends. It's a banana daiquiri and sun cream moment. That's what happens in the van. It all happens very quickly. Literally, and consider this is North Yorkshire and it's 2023. Literally weeks ago, or even days ago, the days were low temperature starts and low temperature days, like 6 degrees, starting with a morning frost, probably last week. And it's flipped now to warm and sunny and hot and sun cream and bananas. It's happened in a matter of days. And that's what happens up here in North Yorkshire, in and around Harrogate. It's that the weather that comes over the Pennines, I believe, always dumps all the rain here and makes it cold and damp, makes the spring lurch slowly. But then all of a sudden it happens. Ta-da! Banana daiquiris and sun cream, please. Ordered. Thank you, my lord. But look, here's another thing that happens on this day. And it's quite interesting because not many people, not many clients will understand this, but there is a friction, there is a tension. There's kind of like an elastic band that needs to be broken from winter into spring that can't be broken fast enough, frustratingly, because winter hangs on to early spring rather than summer taking control of early spring, kind of thing. It's almost like there's a tension. But the thing about it is, the inside of what I do, and considering that the seasons change long before the indoor people like you, my friends, well, say some of you, the seasons start to change long before most normal office-based people, let's say, would realize. So there's kind of like over the last few weeks, there's been a bit of an angst and a frustration in my head because look, the ground temperatures aren't up. Look, the germination rates are not up. Look, the birds are feeding on seed rather than feeding on other stuff. But what happens, just to get to the point, what happens on the sun cream day? Because it's happened today, and I think it happens every year from memory. What happens on the sun cream day is lots and lots and lots and lots of people realize that they have a garden. And actually, on the first sun cream day, everyone goes, God, it's sunny. God, it's warm. God, it's beautiful. I'm going to go out and not necessarily cut the grass or do some gardening, but just go and enjoy the space. At which point, lawns that I've been working on, or lawns that may have been renovated, or lawns that may have been seeded, or lawns that may have been fed, on the sun cream day, they're just not perfect enough. God, it's so frustrating. I can't explain it enough to you how frustrating the sun cream day is. Because as if you work on lawns or if you work in gardens, you'll know that you're tirelessly working towards getting it right before the sun cream day. Because the sun cream day, clients, rightfully so, have an expectation that everything's as it should be because. But the thing about the sun cream day is it just appears. Bing! It's probably like the first barbecue day. Bing! But look, the good thing is about the sun cream day is not only does the van change from its delightful damp and musty smell into a green bananas, banana daiquiri, and sun cream environment. Oh yes, my friends. But the other thing is the predictability of growth starts to kick in now as well. Everything for the next 4 to 6 weeks, everything gets a lot simpler. Everything gets a lot more predictable. If anything, one of the biggest guiding things at the moment that has to be done in the next 4 to 6 weeks is the education of watering, because these hot and sunny days absolutely zap the moisture out of the ground. It will zap the moisture out of any seedlings. It will zap the moisture out of the grass seed that's been lying there waiting. And actually, for the next 4 to 6 weeks, there has to be a period of really attentive care from both my side, let's say, and also the client side. We both need to make sure that we have our sun cream ready, metaphorically speaking. Anyway, look, so today is the Wednesday, the 17th of May, 2023, and it's official sun cream day. Yes, my friends, get out in the garden, go and enjoy it. This is if you're in the UK, obviously, but probably elsewhere in the world, it'll be a sun cream day. But get out and enjoy it. Get the barbecue on. Go and do that extra cut of the lawn. Go and do a bit of tidying and polishing and potting and getting ready stuff. And see where it all goes. Because it's here. Yes, my friends, it's here. The better part of the year is beginning. Anyway, look, that's enough for me. I've just got a slight sun tan, sun blurred, slight warm glow from the sun today. But I'll be more prepared tomorrow. Anyway, here's to vans smelling of banana daiquiri and sun cream. God, isn't that a great image? Isn't it a great image? Or a great smell or a great thought? Anyway, look, that's all for now. Thanks as ever, everyone, for listening. Episode 230. Ta-da! Take care. See ya. Bye.